Hello traders and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about highs and lows. Okay, so I see a lot of traders don't quite understanding this concept correctly, and yeah, we're just gonna break it down in this video, and yeah, we're just gonna talk about it. So you need to learn the concepts of highs and lows in order to trade hybrid strategy successfully. Okay, so please guys, after every video that you watch, just after you finish it, go and test it out. Okay, so you can understand the concepts correctly and move forward. Okay, so yeah, highs and lows are really important bit of price action, and if you understand it correctly, you're gonna be able to trade, successfully. So let's break down this photo right here that I have in front of me. So starting from the left, guys, as you guys can see, we have a clear uptrend here. Okay, so this is the bit of price action that a lot of traders don't quite understand. Okay, so people see here, uptrend momentum to the upside, and they think because this candle is bearish that this is a retrace candle. And if price action right now after this impulse starts to go to the downside, they are going to mark this low and they're gonna mark it like change of character. But that is incorrect, guys. Okay, that is not correct way of looking at price action. So it doesn't matter if this candle is bullish or bearish. So the color of the candle is not important. What you need to be focusing at is highs and lows. So as you guys can see, every high here is breaking the previous high. So this candle's high is breaking this previous candle's high to the upside. This candle high is breaking this previous candle's high. So we can see that this is a clear uptrend and momentum to the upside with no retraces in momentum. Okay, so again, if you do not understand something, do not worry. We are going to talk about this a lot in future videos. Okay, also you're gonna test everything out for yourself. So if you feel confused about something, do not worry, you are going to handle it. Okay, so just remember that color of the candle doesn't play any role in all of this. What important is highs and lows. Okay, guys, so let's look at the second example. Okay, so as you guys can see, we had bullish move to the upside, and this candle is a retrace candle. Why is this candle a retrace candle? Because this candle's high didn't took the previous candle's high. Okay, guys, so we see an uptrend. Every candle, this candle high is breaking this previous candle's high, so this is an uptrend. And right here we see that we have a retrace candle. This candle high didn't broke the previous candle's high, and this is considered as break of structure. Okay, so if, for example, this candle high was like this would not be a break of structure. This would be all one big uptrend. Even though this candle is bearish candle, as I said, the color of the candle is not important. Okay, so this would be an uptrend with no retraces in momentum. And there is a lot of misunderstanding about this concept, and people are really making huge mistakes. Why? Because if this is an uptrend and this candle high broke this previous candle high, this would be considered as an uptrend. And what are people doing wrong? They mark this right now as their order block, but that is not valid, okay? And they're gonna look for buy opportunities here, okay guys? And also, if price action starts to pull back to the downside, they're gonna look at this as a change of character. But again, that is not correct. Every candle high is taken out by the next candle high. So as you guys can see, every candle high is breaking to the upside. So this is a clear uptrend. But if this is a retrace candle, then we have a valid break of structure. And then we can consider this to buy as an order block. And also we can consider this as a low. And if price action breaks this low, this is valid change of character, okay? So what is important is to look at highs and lows, not the candle color. Okay guys, so here in third example, we can see that price is just breaking above, okay? Every candle high is breaking the previous candle high. So as you can see, this is higher than this is higher than this, and this is higher than this. So this is a valid uptrend. It has weaknesses in uptrend. As you guys can see, we're leaving the wicks, so that is not good. But again, we're going to talk about price action in more details in the next couple of videos. But again, this is considered as an uptrend, momentum with no retraces. Okay guys, so right now in this fourth example, as you guys can see, we have impulse to the upside. Every candle high is breaking the previous candle's high, and then again we have a retrace. So this candle high is not breaking the previous candle's high, okay? It's lower, it's not higher, okay? So this is considered as break of structure, and this is considered as a retrace candle. And then after that candle, as you guys can see, with next bullish candle, we break the previous candle's high. So this is considered as a break of structure. This is considered as a low. So if we take this low, it will be change of character, and we could also look for this as an order block. And then again, price is breaking the highs, and again we have a retrace. Okay, so it doesn't matter. This candle can be bullish, this candle can be bearish. Again, color of the candle is not important. What is important is to look at highs and lows. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have a retrace again in this momentum, and right now price is breaking again. Okay, so when you look at price action like this, you are going to have more detailed idea of what price action is doing. Is price action uptrend? Is price action in a downtrend? Is price action being corrective? Is price action showing us weakness? Is price action showing us momentum? Because when there is a momentum, we want to get involved in it. When there is a weakness, we want to skip it, ignore it, etc., etc. Okay, so if we look at this, okay, this is a clear uptrend. Okay, we don't have any change of character. If price action reverses, etc., we don't have any order blocks. This bit of price action, price is showing us momentum. We have impulse, retrace, impulse, okay, valid continuation. Price is breaking these previous highs impulsively, so we consider this as a high probability order block, okay? And this is showing us weakness. Every candle high is breaking by the previous candle's high, so this is considered as, you know, price action is moving upwards, moving to the upside, but with weakness. You know, it's rejecting the highs, and after every high we make, we have a little bit of slowing down in momentum. And this is considered as ascending price action more, because again, price is breaking the highs, retracing, breaking the highs, retracing, and usually this indicates weakness to the upside, okay? So this is why it's important to learn and master this, because everything that we do is gonna be basically made out of this concepts here. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you another example right here, and I'm gonna show you what is considered valid change of character, what not. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, based on the concepts that we have spoken about right now, as you guys can see, we have impulse to the upside, we have a retrace, and again price is breaking above. So because we have a retrace here, our high would be right now after we break. So where's the high here? High is here. Where's the low here? Low is here. Okay, so when this candle's high breaks the previous candle high, this is our new high. So this is our new low, this is our new high. After this retrace, we want to see what is happening. So two things can happen. Either price is going to reverse or continue to downside, or we're going to see the break of structure. In this example, we see break of structure and price is breaking the highs. Immediately after price breaks this previous high with this break of structure, our new low is here, not here anymore. And as you guys can see, price is breaking high, our new high is here. So our new high is here and our new low is here. Okay, so right now, this is telling us a lot. Okay, guys, either we can look at buy opportunities here if we have our valid entry, okay, because this is a valid demand zone right now, or we can look at this as a break of structure or change of character. So this is our low right now, and this is our high right now. And after price breaks this low, this is valid low, and this is valid change of character. So again, the color of the candle doesn't play any role. Okay, what is important is to look at highs and lows. In the second example, guys, here we have invalid change of character. Okay, so as you guys can see, price is breaking highs and we do not have any retraces in momentum. And this is where a lot of people are making mistakes. Okay, because again, they see this bearish candle and they somehow think that this low is valid, and if price action breaks this low, this is change of character. But this is not change of character. Again, guys, every candle's high is taken by previous candle's high, and this is a clear uptrend. So every high is higher. As you guys can see, every high is higher. We are just breaking above, and price is indicating to us that price is in uptrend. So when this move happens, we actually consider this as a pullback. So impulse, we have impulse, and then we have a pullback, and then what comes after the pullback? Another impulse. Okay, so this is actually considered as a pullback for a continuation push up. And there are a lot of traders who are looking at this as a change of character, and they start to look at this as order block to short from here. Okay, so do you understand how important this is? This is actually everything, basically. If you do not look at this in correct way, you know, your trades are going to be invalid. So this is why it's important to go through this concept step by step. If you do not understand anything, again, guys, ask us in community or shoot me a message in a DM. I'm gonna explain everything to you, okay? So again, if we have a retrace, if this previous candle high doesn't break the next candle high, this is considered a retrace. And if every candle high is taken out, okay, previous candles high, we have an uptrend. This is a clear uptrend, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a small exercise that you guys can do. Wait, let me just do this. Let's say, for example, and you're just gonna look at highs and lows. Okay, so this is gonna be your first homework, first exercise that you're gonna do. So let's click through the price and let's see what price action is doing. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is our low and this is our high. Okay, let's see what price action is doing. This right now is a retrace candle. Why? Because as you guys can see, this candle high didn't broke the next candle high, so this is considered as a retrace. Right now, if price action breaks above again, our new low is going to be here and a new high is going to be here. Okay, let's see what happens. Price action is pullbacking, and right now we have this momentum to the downside. So our new low, because we broke this low, our new low is going to be here. Okay, again, we are just breaking the lows, so we are just moving the low. Again, this is still our high. Again, this is not a retrace candle because it's breaking the previous candle's low, and this is a retrace candle. Why? Because it didn't broke the next candle's low. So this is a retrace candle. Right now, if price action breaks again this low, our new low is going to be here and our new high is going to be here. Okay, so let's see, price action, as you guys can see, broke So our new low is here. This is going to show you where the price is headed and what price action is doing. If you see that price action is breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing, there is no momentum in the market. So we can expect the price to reverse and continue to the upside, because price is showing us there is no momentum in the market. And when price is breaking like this shows us momentum in market. And also you're gonna see what is the direction of the market and where is price most likely going to be headed next. Okay, so again, retraces, nothing is happening. We're ranging in between highs and low, and right now we're breaking the high. As you're breaking the high, we're looking for the candle's low, and it's still here, okay, because this was not a retrace candle. And again, we're breaking the high, so we're just changing the high. And this was a retrace candle, ranging, and then right now we have broken the low. So as you guys can see right now, because price action is breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing, then breaking the highs, retracing, again breaking the lows, retracing. This is indicating to us that price is most likely going to be corrective. So there is indecision in the market. Price doesn't have clear momentum either to the upside or either to the downside. And you're gonna know that it is better to not get involved in this bit of price action. Okay, why? Because price is showing us indecision. There is no clear momentum either to the upside or to the downside, and you know that trading in this bit of price action is a little bit more risky. Okay, so again guys, this candle was a retrace, and right now we broke the high, so we're just changing the highs and lows. And again, we're breaking the high, and where's the next candle? From this candle high you start, and where's the low? Low is here, as you guys can see. Price is again breaking highs. We have a retrace right now, so let's see what happens. And again, price is breaking the lows. And where is our next candle high? We start from here, and look, where is the low? Sorry, high. Here's the high. And again, price action is breaking the lows, and again we have seen a retrace. So we do not touch anything right now. Price is ranging currently in between highs and low, and then we break the low again. Where is our high? Here is our high. So you just go like this, okay? So you're just doing these exercises so you master the highs and lows. This is dictating basically where is price action going to be headed, and this is how you know what price action is doing. So right now here, as you guys can see, we saw that price is breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing. What is that telling to you? There is no momentum to the downside. Price is rejecting these lows. So breaking the lows, retracing, breaking the lows, retracing. And right now we have seen that we are breaking this above. So this is value change of character. So we can look for this demand zone right here, this order block. If we continue to the upside, and if we have, let's say if we have a breakout to the upside a little bit more impulsively, and we continue back here, pull back here, we can look at this for continuation push up. Also, we can see that price is somehow reacting from this, but this is not a valid demand zone for me because we didn't had a lot of momentum. Yes, price action put to the new higher high in the market, but again, we're gonna speak about order blocks in the next lessons. So again, price is just breaking highs, and again, price is just breaking highs, and this is a retrace candle. Okay, so after this retrace candle, as you guys can see, we broke the high. So our new high is here, and our new low is here. Okay, so right now this is a break of structure. So this demand zone right now is valid to take continuations. Okay guys, and if right now price action starts to pull back and continues to now downside, this would be change of character. Okay, so let's see. So again, price action just breaking highs. Again, price action just breaking highs. Even though this is a bearish candle, again this high was taken. Okay, it was taken by the next previous high, so this is still considered uptrend. There is no retracing momentum here yet, and this is a retrace right now. Okay, so price right now is ranging in between high and low. As you guys can see, we're reacting to this demand zone right here, and price just broke the high, respected this demand zone here. So as you guys can see, this is our candle's high. We're looking where the low is, and you guys can see that low is here. Okay, so right now again we're ranging, doing nothing, and right now again we broke the high, and we look at where is our next candle's low. Here it is. Okay, so right now we can see that price action is breaking the highs, retracing, breaking the highs, retracing, breaking the highs, retracing. This is showing us that price action is slowing down with momentum to the upside. Okay, guys? And again, we're breaking the highs. And right now, as you guys can see, we broke again. So our low was here and we broke again. And our low was here, we broke again. So this is right now change of character. Okay? So price right now is actually in a downtrend. Okay, so after the week, we can expect the retrace. There is a retrace, and we are breaking the lows. So basically, guys, this is gonna indicate everything to you. What is valid change of character? What is valid break of structure? What is valid trend? You know, is price action showing us weakness to the upside or momentum to the upside? You know, all kinds of things. So this is really important lesson that you guys need to understand before you move forward. So watch this video a couple of times. If you do not understand everything correctly first time watching it, then after you watch it, start testing it out. Okay, bar replay, look at the charts, do what I'm doing right now, and just make sure that you understand this concept before moving forward with the videos. If you do not understand anything, guys, again, just shoot us a DM, me privately in DM, or just ask a question in the community. Someone is going to reply as fast as possible. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something new, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. See you in the next one.